Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe your summer holidays or vacations. First question is, do you like to go on holiday? Why? Absolutely. Getting away from the daily grind and exploring new places is so refreshing. I love the sense of adventure and all the novel sights, sounds, and experiences. Novel, new. Okay. Since the question is of two parts, do you like to go on holiday? Yes. And then it is asking the reason. So you always provide the reason as well. Okay. Do not answer in one word. The second question is, do you prefer traveling alone or in a group? I usually prefer traveling in a small group with family or close friends. Having companions makes the journey more fun and memorable. But I also enjoy the freedom and flexibility of solo travel at times. Okay? The third question is, do some people have to face any problems when they visit hill stations? Yes, visiting hill stations can come with some challenges. The high altitude can make you feel dizzy or nauseous. Nauseous means you tend to feel not well, feel that you are about to vomit until your body acclimatizes. Until your body acclimatizes means it becomes accustomed to the surrounding. The cooler temperatures are also a shock if you are coming from a hot and humid place. And the narrow mountain roads can be treacherous if not driven carefully. The fourth question is, in which seasons do you prefer to travel? My favorite seasons for travel are spring and fall. The weather is pleasantly mild in most places, perfect for sightseeing. Summer can get unbearably hot and winters too cold and snowy in some regions. Okay, the fifth and the last question is, why do people visit hill stations? Hill stations are hugely popular gateways. Gateways means that people love to go there, or destinations, because they offer an escape from the sweltering, unbearably hot heat and noise of the cities. The crisp mountain air, lush greenery, and stunning vistas meaning a pleasant view, are so rejuvenating. Many also visit to experience the unique culture, cuisine, and lifestyle of hill communities. So, this was the follow ups for describe your summer holidays or vacations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button